Hi everyone, and thank you for joining Crafting with Purple. This is a special edition dedicated to my Red Hat Society friends in the Hattsville Meet and Greet group. I also want to wish all those with a November birthday a special happy birthday. And if you're in the Red Hat Society, of course, you get to celebrate all month long. So today we're going to talk about making a gift card envelope. So here is this little gift card envelope. Now I have a little piece of tape here, and the reason is that I made it so that if you're not wearing gloves, it's a little tab so that we can easily open and close it. And inside are the gift card on one side and a special trading card, is what we call them in the Red Hat Society, on the other. Most people call them business cards, but we call them trading cards, and we like to trade them. And of course, tucked in this one is, yep, I'm just going to say OH. For those of you know what you should be yelling back at me. All right, but let's talk about folding this really simple gift card. And I'll tell you why there's a hole there in a second, that we can put cards in, or maybe other things. It uses one sheet of paper. So for those of you who followed my videos before, you know that with Crafting with Purple, my whole goal is no cutting. If I can avoid it, well, I don't mind a cut, but I definitely want no measuring, which there is none, and I want to have awesome results. Okay, today's project, you just need one sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11, and of course, I'm using purple. I've already pre-folded this sheet. Now, if you were folding this and your paper was two different colors, this is your inside. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is, there's a short end and a long end. Is we're going to take and fold it in half longwise. You'll unfold it. And now we're going to fold the center up on both sides. Okay. Now I had some instructions next to me. There we go. So we fold in half, long side. We fold into the middle, which I showed you. And now we're at step 3. We're going to turn down the ends. Everything's falling on my desk. So we open this up, and to turn down the ends, here's an end, is we're just going to fold it right up to our lines. Use our lines as our guide, and try to fold that as nice as you can. Okay? So just fold it right up. We're going to do that for all 4 corners. And I just keep turning my work. Make it whatever makes it easier for you. Remember, I'm kind of looking, I'm back here, and I'm looking over my cell phone, trying to do this. Try to get it centered again. Okay, and now we have these nice folds, and we just want to fold this back together. So this is what you should have, and just okay. Now I kind of munged up this corner. Notice, not as nice. It's okay. Yep. Now turn it over. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to fold it sort of in half. Okay, half. Okay, so when I fold it up, I I don't want, no, 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 no. Sort of, okay? So about there. Sure it's nice and smooth. Okay. So if we see here, it's not, it's sort of in half, okay? We want to fold it sort of in half. Okay, now the shorter side, we're going to fold it exactly in half. So if we look at this, long, short, this is the short one. I'm going to open it up. I'm actually going to fold it right to that line, okay? Because I know that's the half point for it. Okay, and if we notice, that's going to be our first pocket. Okay, first pocket. Okay, now then, what I need to do is I have to kind of tuck in the other side and I fold it. Okay, so this is the quick, I need to tuck it. Turn around, so this is the side we want. I fold it up and I'm tucking, okay, on both sides. Okay, notice what I did? Tuck it in. Tuck it in there. Fold it. Okay. So I've got my pocket there. Got my pocket here. Okay, now we're just going to fold it in half. Okay, so just fold it, match it up, and you're done. Ta-da! You're done. Okay, so here we are. And I can easily now tuck in my card. Tuck the card there. Okay. Now it's not going to stay closed very nicely. Okay. It'll tend to pop open. Tape. So what I do is I take one piece of tape. I'm going to do it on this side. Makes a base. Another piece. Fold over. Just a little. Ah! Now I have that little flap there. It'll now open and close. Okay. So there you have your gift card envelope. Let's see. To Queen Tutu. too. Okay, maybe I want to do that. Maybe I want to embellish it. Think about other things that you can do. So what I did is there's a little flap here. I just went ahead and poked this right through. And now I can maybe I want to put that on there. I might want to embellish it. But this is big enough that besides gift cards, maybe I have a piece of jewelry. So, yeah. I'm going to do that. Maybe instead I want to tuck in maybe a little piece of bling. Okay. And cover it up. Okay. Gift card envelope. Easy folding. Thank you for joining Crafting with Purple. And I'll be back. Actually, I'm going to be doing this monthly as a special edition for the folks in the Hatsville Meet and Greet group of the Red Hat Society. And they're celebrating their 20th anniversary, and I'm proud to be a Red Hat Society member. So I'm glad you could join us, and I don't know. What do you think? Should I send that off to Tutu? Maybe. Bye, everyone.